Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 to 3 inches of rain have fallen.
WXM80.
Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Expected to begin shortly. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations may experience flash flooding include New Brunswick, Fort Amboy, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick,
Still thundering.
North Brunswick, Hoboken, Red Bank, Kingsburg, and Methuen. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex and Monmouth.
Still thundering, wow.